To begin, in your preferred browser, navigate to https://csuohio.zoom.us. This will bring you to CSU's web-based Zoom portal. Select the Sign In button, and you will then be prompted to sign in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. In order to save future cloud storage space and only record meetings on a case-by-case basis, we need to disable automatic meeting recording. To do this, we'll navigate to the menu at the left-hand side of the screen and select Settings. Then we will select the Recording submenu. Once in the Recording menu, we're going to scroll down the page until we find the Automatic Recording setting. To disable automatic recording, we're going to locate the toggle switch on the right-hand side of the screen and click to ensure that the toggle switch is set to the left-hand side, indicating that the setting has been disabled. With automatic recording disabled, Zoom will no longer record your meetings automatically. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/zoomhelp.